He is not independent. He's still beholden to the Ministry of Justice. He's still, to some extent, beholden to the Attorney General. He is not. Why would the president be calling him if you refuted it? Why would you be called even if you refuted it?
The president said he was to present to him the response from the Ministry of Finance about the allegations in his corruption risk assessment.
Why must the president do that? I mean, I will not even start to go into, because to be a whole, we won't finish this interview. But the point is, the man was not independent. He wasn't given free will to do his job.
What changes would he make to his office?
It will completely be independent. If what he wants is to be independent, to choose his office space, to choose his employees, that will be, it's a security thing as well. So if the man decides that I will want to, the position demands, not even the man as much as the position demands that these things should be made freely to him in order for him to do his work, it must be so. It must be independent. He must be chosen not by a party in power, the leader of a party in power, a president in power, but he must be chosen by the system, by parliament, if you like.